Good day, friends. Back in the car, headed for another meeting. This will be a good one. For today, I didn't do very much today. It was a lot of sitting down at the computer and taking an online course that I've invested in, that I'm using for my business, and it would just spend a lot of video of me just sitting there. One of the things that I wanted to do for a while and couldn't figure out the best way to do this, and let me know if an email list would work better, maybe a Facebook group, or just doing it on here, but I wanted to share some of the content, especially videos. Today it'll just be videos, but stuff that I enjoy watching and stuff that's inspired me. So the first thing that comes to my mind, I get a lot of inspiration and motivation from Casey Neistat. I try not to copy him 100% in the way that I do my videos, but he recently did a YouTube original documentary about Shawn Mendes, and it's really fantastic and it's very inspiring. So I will put the link. Let's see if I can do this right. I'll put it right here. You can click on it and you can watch that there. Speaking of Shawn Mendes, he did in the last couple days, well, it aired in the last couple days, a concert with Zac Brown Band. So if that's live on YouTube, I'll try and link that right here. And if not, I'll just do another video, one of the promo videos for that. That was really cool. But a bunch of videos of him. He's been collaborating with a lot of people. I like his voice, like his style, I like his story of how he came to be. Anybody that has kind of a cool backstory, I really like that. I've been watching some documentaries. Oh, speaking of that, I'll do a link to at least the trailer, but I'll post in the comments. The Conor McGregor documentary, I realize he just got the crap kicked out of him and lost to Khabib. However, prior to that, his story of how he came to be in the Netflix documentary Notorious is awesome. I started watching it, I think 2 months ago. I think I've watched it 6 or 7 times, and it's one of those things that just, it gets you going. Even if you don't like fighting, if you don't like UFC, it's inspiring to see someone who was determined to be the best and the process that they went through to actually arrive at that. It's just fantastic. So we'll do Notorious down in that corner.
History. Long after I'm gone, the story will be told.
For the final corner here, I'm gonna go with just up here, one of my favorite videos of all time. It was when the GoPro, I can't remember if it was the Hero 3 or the Hero 4, when they did their announcement video. The music, the editing, I still to this day consider it a perfect video. So one of the things that I pay attention to is the music. I think the music matters the most when you're trying to do a video, which is ironic because I don't know if I'm going to use any music for this video at all. But just the way that it's edited, it's just inspiring. I watch this video once every couple weeks, and it just gets the juices going. So, yeah, let's call this, when am I going to post this? I'll post this, I want to do it on Friday. It probably won't be Friday, but let's just call it Four Corners Friday, and I'll share stuff in each of these 4 corners. That's a good theme right there. Okay, enjoy, guys. Peace.